Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 11th, and this is my analysis for silver. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, if you've been watching my silver videos for a while, you know that this 100% Fibonacci extension has been my target for a very long time. We just hit that target just recently this week. Now, it doesn't mean that it's over, but it definitely means that it might be getting very close to ending this five-way pattern to the upside, which possibly even could be a wave C. So let's take it now down to the daily time frame, because on the daily is where we can clearly see that this is a 1, 2, 3. I think we are almost for sure in a wave 4 right now, and then eventually we'll go up again and make a wave 5 to complete the five-way pattern that starts right here. So how long is this five-way pattern going to take? It's probably this wave 4 is potentially going to take about the same time as this wave 2. So right around 20 calendar days. We're only on day number 2 right now, so more than likely about 20 calendar days and probably at least a 38% pullback to finish what I think is probably going to end up being like an ABC of wave 4. So keep in mind that this correction is probably not going to end right away. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we don't really have much of a break of structure down, even proving that the wave 3 is over, so it could possibly go up and make like a double top again. But I do think at some point it is probably going to start a pretty decent move to the downside for like a wave A. You'll get some sort of a wave B, then probably some sort of a wave C. Like I said, probably lasting about 20 calendar days or more for what I think is likely a wave 4, probably at least down to the 38% before we get likely a wave 5 to the upside to complete that daily time frame 3, 4, and wave 5, which I also think could possibly be a wave C on the much higher time frame. So if it finishes a wave 5, it could possibly make a much bigger move to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.